Good morning to all. Myself Pooja Chandani, nursing tutor of Index Nursing College. So today my topic is hospital. Let's start. The first है introduction. A hospital is a healthcare facility that provide specialized medical and nursing care as well as medical supplies to patient. The most well known form of the hospital is the general hospital, which usually carries an emergency department to handle urgent health issues such as fire and accident victims as well as medical emergencies. Definition: a hospital is a healthcare institution providing patient treatment with specialized health science and auxiliary healthcare staff and medical equipment. So ये थी definition and next है function of the hospital. First है patient care, diagnosis and treatment of disease, outpatient services, medical education and trainings. Medical and nursing research, prevention of disease and promotion of health. फिर है टाइप्स. सो टाइप्स ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल. फर्स्ट इज जनरल मेडिकल एंड सर्जिकल हॉस्पिटल्स. सेकंड है स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल्स. थर्ड है टीचिंग हॉस्पिटल्स, क्लिनिक्स, साइकेट्रिक हॉस्पिटल्स, फैमिली प्लानिंग एंड अबॉर्शन क्लिनिक्स, hospices and palliative care centers, emergency and other outpatient care centers, then sleep disorder clinics, dental laboratory, blood and organ banks. Next, so first is general medical and surgical hospital. The best known type of hospital is the general hospital, which is set up to deal with many kinds of disease and injury, and normally has an emergency department to deal with immediate and urgent threat to health. So next one है स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल. Specialty hospitals provide care for a specific specialty and tailor their care and facility to fit the chosen type of condition, patient or procedure on which they focus. Type of specialized hospital include trauma centers, rehabilitation hospitals, children hospitals, senior hospitals, and hospital for dealing with the specific medical needs such as psychiatric problems, certain disease categories such as cardiac, oncology, or orthopedic problems, and so 4. नेक्स्ट वन है टीचिंग हॉस्पिटल. Some hospitals are affiliated with universities for medical research and the training of medical personnel such as physician and nurses, often called teaching hospitals. A teaching hospital combines assistance to patients where teaching to medical students and nurses, and often is linked to a medical school, nursing school or university. So next है clinics. The medical facility smaller than a hospital is generally called a clinic and often is run by a government agency for health services or a private partnership of physicians in nations where private practice is allowed. Clinical generally provide only outpatient services. So next one है psychiatric hospitals. Psychiatric hospitals, also known as mental hospitals, are hospitals specializing in the treatment of serious mental disorder. This industry includes establishment licensed to provide diagnostic, medical treatment, and monitoring services for inpatients who suffer from mental illness or substance abuse disorder. These establishments maintain inpatient beds and a staff of physician. Facility that emphasize counseling for mental health and substance abuse rather than medical treatment are not included in the industry. And the next one is family planning and abortion clinics. So family planning is the planning of when to have children and the use of birth control and other techniques to implement such plans. This industry includes freestanding centers with medical staff primarily engaged in assisting pregnant women and families in making various decisions regarding family planning. Services are provided on an outpatient basis and include contraception, genetic and prenatal counseling, voluntary sterilization, and pregnancy termination. So next है hospice and palliative care centers. This industry provides programs that offer symptoms relief and pain management for patients with life termination illnesses. Hospice care applies to complaints that administer care in terms of comfort rather than cure to patients with life limiting illnesses or diseases. Non hospice palliative care is provided to individuals with serious complex illness whether they are expected to recover fully. Emergency and other outpatient care centers. This industry includes establishment with medical staff primarily engaged in providing emergencies, general or specialized outpatient care or not included other industries. So next है sleep disorder clinics. This industry includes facilities that are devoted to the diagnosis and care of outpatients with disorders that affect, disrupt, or more generally involve sleep. Common sleep disorders include insomnia, sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and sleepwalking. Industry firms are often associated with hospitals and or medical schools. So the next one is dental laboratories. So dental laboratories manufacture or customize a variety of products to assist in provision or oral health care by a licensed dentist. This industry comprises establishment that manufacture dentures, crowns, bridges, and orthodontic products customized for individual applications as prescribed by licensed dentist. Then the next one is blood or organ bank. Organ donation is the donation of biological tissue or an organs of the human body from a living or dead person to a living recipient in needs of a transplantation. This industry includes companies that are primarily engaged in collecting, storing, and distributing blood products and body organs. Thank you.